Welcome. If you want to get Instagram on your Huawei P40 Pro, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with Google Play services, and right here you have to download the Instagram. And the second step is to open the application to transfer data. In my case it will be the phone clone, and right now I'm going to open it on both smartphones. Tap the new phone on your Huawei P40 Pro and old phone on your old Android phone. And right here we have to select the old phone type. It is the Huawei, so type here Huawei. And right now we can connect with scanning the QR code. Now we have to wait until the phones connect. Tap on the select all to unselect all of these things, enter the apps and the data, and right here you have to find your Instagram. Here it is, select, tap on the OK, transfer, input your log method if you have, and now just wait. Finish, and right now we can enter the Instagram. And thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.